is up, you guys? It's your girl, Life Takes a Look. Today we are back. We're back with part 2 of SB19 Damn making concept this time instead of song and choreo. If you missed out on the last video, I did already do the song and choreograph episode, or choreo. I'm not having such a problem saying that word, choreography. Song and choreography video. We watched that one. Now we're going to be watching the concept. It's 10 minutes. My hand is still not well. And so we're just going to jump right into it. Before I do, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. It helps me out. We're on the road to 15K. I'm not going to bore you with the the gory details. Holy cow, my brain is slowly shutting down. So, anyways, we're just going to get right into it. Let's go. We have it pulled up here. It's a 10-ish, 11-minute video. That means it's going to be a long one. Let's strap in and get.
Every release before has been true to their characters. So, kapag ibabalik natin kung sino sila before and ipasok natin sa dam, since sobrang nag-connect lahat. Dito siya. Dito yung statue.
Basically, Dam is Pablo's dream. Literally, Pablo's dream. Ang taas ng pressure, lahat kami ganado to really perform. Gusto namin ng mahabang planning. Gusto namin ng pulidong planning and may time for the artistry to grow.
And pinagbigyan tayo.
And pinagbigyan talaga. Sobrang grateful kami doon. And yung amount of creative freedom, natatranslate ko ng maayos in terms of the logos, in terms of the look, the colors. Kasi yung songwriting na mismo na ilalatag niya sa akin. And sobrang na-appreciate namin yun as artists kasi we get to see the intention behind the music. Natatranslate namin dun sa visual that pinoproduce namin ngayon for them. Let's make sure everything connects, everything snaps in. So people would think and people would look back to everything that they have released before. And we have Alan Shi as a director.
Who has been working with them.
Has been working with them
since what?
Since what?
Actually, since the trailer of Ikalawang Yugto. So it's been Alan Shi.
So Alan Shi, Carlo, it's been the same team. That's why it feels like home. One of the challenges pa was, sa creative direction part, was the wardrobe. Kasi since it's medieval, it requires so much attention to detail. That's why, good thing we have the best of the best. Like literally, right now here, sila Miss Rain, sila Francis Libiran, sila Neric Beltran.
Dun sa briefing pa lang, ang sabi nila is, ito na guys, welcome back. Kasi since tayo rin yung gumawa ng pagtatagpa. So, parang sabi nila na this is the 3rd chapter. We have to conduct an interview with them, like a discovery session with the members to really get to know what they want to tell.
Yung seed, parang mahihigitan sa ganda. So, for example, umakit ka ng bundok, ang taas na narating mo. But how do you higitan yun? Tatanim ka, may puno. Period siya, di ba? Pero it's also a seed that you can plant and you can reach more heights. And at the same time, you're able to inspire people through that seed. Kasi babalik, parang naging cycle siya.
So parang ang initial nilang brief is, it's medieval, and then
Fantasy,
sacrifice.
come on.
One of the challenges pa was, it requires so much attention to detail. 3, 2, 1, go! Yun, okay? Alam nila yung gusto nila eh. So, it makes everything easy in terms of visually Kasi nagpo-provide sila ng gusto nila. Na-appreciate namin si Stel kasi actually, sobrang laki na ng tinulong sa story.
Yung character niya, kasi sabi niya, I would like to suggest na sana may dalawang character ako.
You can see I have 2 personalities din, which is the good and bad still. So yung good, technically, siya yung nakakulong doon sa loob ng mirror. And yung bad, siya yung parang nag-uudyok doon sa mga tao na parang pumilit pumasok nung mga layers namin. Parang puntahan yung magic tree. Yung bad still yung nagsasabi sa tao na parang they really need to go inside para makita and makuha yung fruit nung tree na yun.
Sa story natin sa dam, if kailangan nilang buhayin yung tree, hindi nila magagawa yun nang wala si Stel. Kailangan pakawalan ni Stel yung sarili niya.
Oo.
para makatulong siya sa grupo. Yun yung halos naging main plot ng Damn na music video.
Tsaka yung in terms of pagtatag, kasi di ba, dugo din talaga
Yes,
yung style yung
of course.
nakabuhay ng tree.
Actually, siya yung nagtanim.
Siya yung nagtanim, oo, sa ikalawang yugto. Basically, ganun siya ka-vital in terms of the entire universe.
Si Pao naman, yung contribution niya, bukod sa siya yung nagsulat ng song and all. Kumbaga, binigyan niya kami ng insight to ano ba talagang iniisip niya during na sinusulat niya yung song.
It's like
So, ang
chemical
sabi niya
warning.
dun sa Discovery Session is, panaginip niya talaga yung dam. So, parang ang dream niya is nakatayo silang 5 sa isang dam.
Parang dulo.
Parang
cliff
dulo,
siya,
parang
diba?
cliff, oo. So parang kaya sa music video nilagyan namin siya ng parang cliff. Yung dam kasi may pinipigilan ka, di ba? Pinipigilan mo yung flow ng water.
Ang Wolf King, napakadami niya ng digmaang nilabanan. And dumating sa point na napapagod na siya sa mga laban-laban, sa digmaan. So, parang nagpahinga siya sa kanyang lair kung saan namalagi siya for many years. The ability niya is shadows. So, he's able to control the shadows. And so, syempre, hindi pwede sinaga ng araw kasi nga nandun na siya sa lair.
Basically, Damn is Pablo's dream. Kasi panaginip niya talaga.
Panaginip
And natutuwa kami na napapanaginipan na yung boys kasama siya sa panaginip. And
Kaya kasama siya sa pangarap.
Oo, kasama sa pangarap.
And lahat dapat approve nila, lahat dadaan sa kanila. So parang, alam mo yun, the moment na may na-approve na talagang lahat sila on board doon.
Lahat-lahat kami sobrang...
It's better.
During meetings, si Josh, ang dami na
I would love to
Dami
see
niya. Siya yung
that. Oh,
pinakamadaming
okay.
insight, suggestions, tsaka
Tsaka, yun nga, siguro sa kanila lahat, siya yung pinaka ma-experience sa games tsaka sa mga medieval.
Basically, kuwa, di ba, pag naglalaro ka ng mga MMORPG, RPG, di ba, merong mga classes. Nandun ako sa class na parang assassin or thief.
so gusto niya ng may power siya.
Nagkataon din na may powers ako kasi sabi ko gusto ko na may powers ako. And for this time, I wanted to be lightning. Matagal ko na kasi kung magkakaroon ako ng powers, is siguro yung lightning. It looks super cool.
Okay.
Ganun. Pero,
Okay, fourth lane Violet over here.
parts ng katawan ko. Nag-feel na kami, in a way, and ako, dun sa mga nangyayari.
Yan, ang ganda niyan.
Pero syempre, minsan kasama lang yun sa challenges ng buhay natin. Hindi tayo syempre papayag na mahina tayo. It's just a bad day, not a bad life.
Nung dinidirect ko siya kanina about
Preach,
sa isang
Josh.
post niya,
Preach.
sinabi ko lang yung certain, sabi ko, mag-arc warden post ka from Dota. Alam niya na agad. So, yun yung thing about Josh. Kasi, ang dali niya pumasok doon sa role niya ngayon.
Baliktad yung siksik ko. Baliktad? Marumi kasi ito eh.
Tapos sa meetings din naman, usually kasi si Ken, ang dal-dal niya talaga. Tapos siya yung tumatayo. Tapos parang sabi niya, alam ko yan, alam ko yung reference niya, alam ko yung ganyan.
Yung character ko sa music video is para siyang warrior and madami siyang pinagdaanan. He has a lot. One thing is parang troubled siya or anxious siya because of what happened sa war. So, that's why pag nakikita niyo sa music video, and that's why yung character ko naging ganyan is because he wants to protect the tree. And of course, yun yung goal ng group.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Start ka muna sa Yuko, Ken. Yuko ka muna. Yan. Okay.
Sila Josh, si Ken, they know the material. Ultimo, pati yung details ng book, sinabi ni Ken na mas maganda yan pag may mga metal parts, pag ganito yung writing. As in, lahat sila may inputs to that very detail. si Jack kasi sobrang natutuwa kami kasi lahat ng ipoproduce namin, lahat ng ipaplano, ipapakita namin sa kanya visually, sobrang nagugustuhan niya, sobrang appreciative siya for it. And may inputs din talaga sila na what if ganito yung material na, what if ganito yung color.
Magsisend talaga siya ng photo, magsasearch siya.
Oo, as in real time, pag nakita niya, magsasend agad siya ng photos para lang to suggest. Hanggang makarating kami ngayon kasi I believe that the boys, SB19, alam nila yung gusto nila eh. So it makes everything easy in terms of visually. He represents the decisions of the group din.
Yung character ko naman dito sa Damn music video is very, sabi ko, me, very me. Hindi, kita nyo naman, nature, ganyan, halahalaman. Blind ako, pero I can see more than what the normal people can see. Parang ganun yung mensahe niya na hindi lang ako nakakita basta, but I can see what's beyond. And nakita ko nga kung ano yung solusyon dun sa problema, parang ganun. Ang role ko is, yung character ko, isang researcher. Yun, even though I'm blind, I can see what's beyond.
I love him so much.
From the past projects, ito talaga yung pinaka hands-on sila. Kasi sa lahat ng meeting, they make sure na nandyan silang lahat.
Doon namin naramdaman na sobrang pina-prioritize na to. As in, sobrang binibigyan nila ng effort, binibigyan nila ng time. Basically, yung MV na to, ang taas ng value for them na they wanted they wanted to be as ambitious as possible. They wanted to be personal as possible. Sobrang naging madali because everybody is on board. As in, lahat kami it's on the single. As in, lahat kami in one page.
Sobrang ganda and sobrang happy ng boys sa kinalabasan.
Wow. Mad respect. I keep saying this. And I'm gonna keep saying it. So, if you don't like it, just click out. But mad respect. I know that they're like a part of a lot of the processes, but it's super cool to see like just exactly how involved. It's not like they're just showing up to the meetings. It's not like they're just, telling people what they want. They're like really having discussions about what their vision is and how they can create this vision together with the team that they have, which is super nice to see. And you know that they're really good people when like artists and directors and stuff are willing to work with them over and over and over again. Like, you just know that they have like these really solid relationships with these people in the industry, which is super cool. And that's not an easy relationship to maintain. And so yeah, I just super cool. Much respect. I can't wait to see the next one. Obviously, there's so much going into this that I haven't even thought about. I'm gonna need to watch that video like 12 more times to really pick up on everything. But yeah, that is it for today. As always, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Whatever the cool YouTubers say, it's your girl Lexi takes a look, and I am bouncing out.